I want to share something that close to my heart. Life can be hard. We face all the moments that test us. Moments that make us feel like giving up. But in this time and moments, we will find our true strength. Hello everyone, I am Jade Kilindin and this is my monologue about strength through times. There was a time in my life when everything seems dark. I feel lost, scared, and alone. It was a time when I thought I couldn't go on. But then there's something amazing happened. I found a strength in the smallest thing. A smile from a stranger, a hug of a friend, and even the warmth of the sun of my face. This small moment gave me hope. I also learned the power of asking for help. I reached out to my family and friends, and they support me also. Their support and love reminded me that I was not alone. Sometimes, just knowing that someone's care can give us the strength that we need, that make us keep it going. As small things help me too. I didn't try to fix everything at once. Instead, I took one step at a time. Each small success gave me a little hope and confidence. It reminded me I couldn't make it through even if it was just one step at a time. Times can teach us so much. They show us our inner strength and resilience. They remind us to cherish a good moment and also be kind to ourselves and others. Through these experiences, I learned to appreciate life more deeply. If you're going through a tough times, know it is okay to feel sad and scared. But just remember, you have a strength inside that there is a greater than you know. Lean on your loved ones. Just take small step forward and believe to yourself. You are stronger than you think. You can get it through this. So, thank you for listening. Stay strong and keep going. And remember that even in the darkest time, there is a light and hope. Thank you.